we are going to discuss today is all about MFA. MFA stands for Multi-Factor Authentication. It is a protected code which will be generated to the mobile each and every time by using a Google Authenticator tool. So you can able to download Multi-Factor Authentication by using your Play Store and how to add MFA to your AWS account. Here we are having a different steps. You can able to install Google Authenticator tool in your smartphone and you can able to log into the AWS account and click on your profile and go to the security credentials. And the step 3, select the MFA option, and the step 4, click and activate MFA option. And the step 5, you can set QR code and click on this option. And next, open Google Authenticator tool in your smartphone and there is a symbol plus and press the symbol and you can able to scan the QR code option, then scan your QR code which appear in AWS page. Once it is done, you can get the code, enter the code again, and the second time one more code you will be getting and enter the code and click. So that sign button, you will receive a message like successfully activated MFA. Log out from your AWS account and log into your AWS account. So this is using a MFA login. Today we are going to discuss about multi-factor authentication. Go to the root login and select the security credentials. So here is my email and what I am going to do is I am going to go for a tab called security credentials. After going to the tab security credentials, what I am going to do is I need to create multi-factor authentication. So in order to go for multi-factor authentication, here I am going to click multi-factor authentication and I am going to click activate MFA. So once if I am going to click activate MFA, before activating MFA, you need to install Google Authenticator in your mobile phone. Here, what I am going to do is I have opened a Play Store and I have searched for Google Authenticator and I am going to install Google Authenticator. Now installation is complete. So once if your installation is complete, you can able to scan a QR code. So before scanning a QR code, here I am going to click virtual MFA device and I am going to click continue. So now it is going to ask to show a QR code and click on show QR code and scan with your mobile. Now I have scanned the QR code and I have got the MFA code one and I am going to add the MFA code here. So now I am going to click add an account. So next, if you are going to go for MFA code 2 and again you need to scan a QR code. So once if you are going to scan a QR code and it is going to generate one more QR code. So now you are going to click assign MFA. So once if you are going to click the MFA, you have created multi-factor authentication successfully during the next sign. So now I am going to sign out from here. Log into your AWS account. So this is using a MFA login.